In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create a hyperlink in an email using Gmail. Whether you're sharing a website, a document, or any online resource, turning plain text into a clickable link can significantly enhance your email communication. So, let's get started by opening up Gmail. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and head over to Gmail. Once you've logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where your inbox resides. To initiate a new email, look for the Compose button, typically located at the upper left section of the page. Click on it, and a new message window will pop up, ready for your input. Now, let's move on to the task of typing your message. In the email body, which is the large blank space you see on the Compose window, type out the text that you want to serve as your hyperlink. Imagine you're guiding your recipient to important information or a fun website. In this example, let's use the phrase "click here." Type this into the email body, then direct your cursor over the words "click here" and hold down your mouse button to highlight the text. This highlighting step is crucial as it marks the text that will become interactive. Great! Now comes the fun part, making it interactive. Look to the bottom of the Compose window where you will see a toolbar filled with formats and options. Among these icons, search for the one that looks like a simple chain link. That's our insert link icon. Go ahead and click it. This action triggers a pop-up box to appear. This box is where you'll input the URL, the web address, of the page you want your recipients to visit when they click your highlighted text. Be sure to either type the URL carefully or, if available, paste it directly to avoid any errors. Once you've entered the URL, do a quick double check to ensure it's correct. After confirming everything looks good, look for the OK button in this pop-up window and give it a click. You'll notice right away that the phrase "click here" in your email is now underlined or colored differently, indicating it's turned into a link. Congratulations! You have just made your email more engaging and user-friendly. At this point, your email, now with a clickable hyperlink, is ready to be sent to whomever you wish. Just continue drafting the rest of your email as needed, add your recipient's email address, and hit send when you're all done. By following these steps, you ensure your messages are both informative and interactive, guiding your readers exactly where they need to go with just one click. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.